Hello friends, my name is Josie. If you are new here, you are welcome. Thanks for being part of my friends. For my OG guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you. So today's video, I'm gonna do my 2 simple challenges that I'm doing, and I'm trying to kind of like wrap up a little bit, especially this one. So we're gonna do that on this channel. I do cash stuff and savings challenges. Yes, a lot of savings challenges. I do them just to tell people that you can do the savings challenge to kick off your savings. You can do this savings challenge anyhow. You can do a digital cash stuff and like what I'm doing. You can move them into your account. When you see me doing it, put in the money in the envelope, that money can also move into your account. It's not strictly that you should do the cash. No, you can still do whatever you want to do, but just to keep you ahead of savings. Maybe saving towards your emergency fund, peace of mind fund, paying off debt. I've been using my savings challenge to pay off debt. When I'm done, I put it in my account, use it to pay off debt, and it's making my debt move as fast and fast and fast, and I'm loving it because these challenges are fun and I love it. So if anyhow you want to do it, you are welcome here. Thanks for being part of my friends. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button yet, let's take a minute. Thank you for subscribing. While you are here, please click on the subscribe button, share the video, tell people about the channel. And so today, normally I would do my 3-4 challenges, easy challenge. Today I'm going to do 2 easy challenge that anybody can do. Like I said, you don't have to do this. You can still move the same amount into your savings challenge, your high yield savings challenge, to finish the challenge with me. So today I'm going to start with my monthly challenge, which that one I'm going to do July. Let's see, we are done with January. We did February, March, April, May, June, July. So for July, we're going to finish it up because we're almost at the end of the month. And we have 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have the bonus number 7. Let me bring the calculator out and see how much this amount will be. So it's going to be 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 7. So that would be a 41. I did not even count the money. I only have once. I went to the bank and took money out, and I would distribute it among all my spending wallet, my savings challenges, and all that. Then this is how much it was left, and I decided I'm going to fill up this 2 savings challenge. So let's go ahead and count the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 8, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. I messed it up. Okay, hold on. Let me divide into 2. Make sure I have the right amount. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, so we do have 50. Let me put that one here. Okay. Then this one will be how much? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So that would be like $83 for this 2 challenge. So let's see. Okay, so this one was 41, so I'm gonna put in $41. So let's this was 50, so I'm gonna take $9 off. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope it will fit in the envelope. Let's see. So this is 49. You guys think we should count it again? I love counting money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 4, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Yes, we did get it right. So that one goes into these envelopes. Okay, it did fit. Okay. So look at that. So it did fit. So let me put it here. So we are done with the whole of July. So we do have August, September, October, November, December. Yes, left. Okay, so this is how it look like. I do have it on my shop in case somebody want to grab a copy. It comes in monthly. You can start anytime. Okay, let me put it on the side. Then I'll bring this one out. So this one is our vacation one, and I've been doing it randomly. Any amount that is the 100 Emily Savings Challenge, but in a different way. So any amount I want to put it in there, that's what I'll put. So right now I'm gonna say, let's see, maybe I can go far with this amount. Let me start by putting $5, 2, 3, 4, 5 into these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this first space get $5 each in each envelope. Like I said, you decide whatever amount you want to put it in each slot. So if you want to put $100, you can. If you want to put any amount that you want to put. So I'm putting $5, and I'll see what I can do with the rest. Okay, then another 5. So that's what I've been doing with this challenge. When you buy my 100 Envelope Savings Challenge, I have an empty slot that you write the numbers in it when you put it. So this is also 5. This is one of the challenges I can't wait to count it, because the numbers were random. It's not like the one I'm putting $100 and I know at the end I'm having 10,000. No, this one is a random. Some of them I put 10, some of them I put 1, some of them like literally random. Let me record it. So we did put $5. So 5, 5, 5. Okay. So that's that one. And then here, I think I'm gonna put $2 each. Okay. Let's see how far we'll go. So $2 in each slot. $2. Okay, then let me record that one too. So 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's see what we can do here. How much do I have left? I think I'm gonna put $3. Let's see if it will be enough. $3, then $3. Okay, so this side also get $3 each. $3. At the end, I think this one is going to go to our vacation fund for real. So we will okay. Here we go. So 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, let's see. We have $2, so I'll just put it in 73. Then we are all done for this one. I can't wait. So I do have like less than 30 slots to get it done. Then I'll count it. Can't wait to get it done. So this is how it look like. I put in random, literally random numbers. So see, isn't that nice? So that's all for this challenge as well. This is 2 easy challenge that you can do if you are planning to do some savings challenges. And thank you for watching me today. As usual, go and